Welcome to this lesson. Today, we're learning one of the most important tenses in English, the present simple. This tense is everywhere, in daily life, in facts, in stories, and in instructions. So let's make it clear, simple, and unforgettable. We use the present simple to talk about habits and routines. These are actions that repeat. For example, I wake up at 7 every day. She goes to work by bus. They play football on Fridays. We also use the present simple to talk about general facts and truths. Things that never change. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees. Cats have sharp claws. We use it to express opinions and feelings. I like this movie. She believes in hard work. They love music.
Hey friend, if you've made it this far, hit subscribe and drop your comment below.
The present simple is also used to talk about the future, only when something is scheduled or officially planned. For example, the train leaves at 6 p.m. The movie starts at 9. We use it in instructions and directions. Turn left. Mix the ingredients. Open the file. And finally, we use it in storytelling or sports commentary to make the action feel alive. He opens the door and sees a box. Ronaldo passes the ball and scores. Now, let's talk about structure. In positive sentences, we use the base form of the verb. I work. You work. But for he, she, and it, we add s or es. She works. He watches TV. In negative sentences, we use don't for I, you, we, and they. And we use doesn't for he, she, and it. Then we use the base verb. I don't work on Sundays. She doesn't like coffee. To make questions, we start with do or does, then the subject, then the base verb. Do you speak English? Does he play guitar? Let's correct some common mistakes. Never say, does he plays? The correct form is, does he play? And don't forget the s in he, she, and it. Now, let's practice. She work every morning. Correct. She works every morning. I not like cold weather. Correct. I don't like cold weather. Does he speak English? Correct. Does he speak English? You just learned the present simple clearly and completely. Keep practicing, keep learning, and your English will become stronger every day. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next lesson.
Wow!